From ILEDSHOW Spot LED application driven Bluetooth. It is a flexible LED screen, 27 inches by 5 inches, and they make many different types of measured signs run off of LEDs, RGB. We're going to open this up, show you what you get inside the box. You have a instruction guide with the application, how to use the product and set it up. It is held on by 3M adhesive. You get a roll. Nicely packaged and protected, your LED strip, flexible. Inside you have a 12 volt, 5 volt adapter for the car. Enough cable to run the system with an on and off switch, USB-A and dedicated DIN plug. And the flexible LED with all the LED lights. This is a 96 by 16 LED, 1,300 plus LEDs. Simply plug in the DIN, push, and twist to lock. Plug into a 5 volt adapter or the 12 volt adapter or any type of adapter. When you turn on the switch, you say 2718. And we're ready to go. It should remember the last thing you put into the unit. Download in the application Spot LED and open up. You may register and log in as an option. It wants to look for your Bluetooth allow. You can click on connect device at the top as well. Spot LED 2718, click, says you're connected, and you can simply go to the graffiti, and you have here, you could put a picture, you can scroll on the screen, bring this in different areas and draw whatever, and you can hit play, and your item is drawn. You can undo your drawing by hitting the undone and save and so forth. You could choose the colors you want and you hit the finish and you could just write an S and hit an S lights up. Now we could back out of this and we could go to animation. We could choose the speed, put in different things, put in a photo of our choice. It wants to access our photo area. And we're going to do a spy versus spy. And you can see we can only put in a certain amount of the area if we want to minimize the screen and so forth. We could put in an image, take a photo, text, and audio. So in image, we're going to do the spy versus spy, the eyeglasses, click the OK and hit play. And we can save it. And there is a spy versus spy. The back gets you to the main screen. In the audio, you hit the play. You have different sounds that it'll play the audio to. You can access your camera and put in a photo. Take a photo of the I love you. Use the photo. Click OK and hit play, and the photo is taken. In the text, you hit the text and it opens up to the text page. Hit text. As it opens up to the text page, we could write ILEDSHOW in the actual area. ILEDSHOW. We can make it bold. We could choose the colors, as you can see on top, and we can hit play, and it shows up. We could go into the world globe, and we could choose and download the different types of shows. Shows to play, gives a thank you. We could register, log in for additional displays and all. In order to get rid of the bad screen, just tap on the screen. You have eyes looking at you. You could choose the colors, rails, and so forth. You could put just about anything in there. So if you want to come here and just draw, you can do so. And you set up your screen to where you need it to be at. You hit the pencil. You could draw a circle, make a car, and then come over here and just go like so. So you could continue to draw. And then when you're done, hit play. And you got yourself a car just like that. You could save it by hitting save and write car. And then you got your car there. Looking for holidays to decorate your window, your car, display? And you could do a lot of different things with the unit, as you can see. It fits across the screen nicely in different colors, different designs. Give you an idea what the product looks like in the evening hours of choosing just a number of things. And can be seen during the daylight as you ride along. And the good thing about the sign is it's waterproof. Easy to take wherever you need to put a sign, hook up, portable. It has a memory where it leaves off last. The sign is flexible. You could bend it, twist it. And fold it. So if you're looking for an LED sign for your window, your car, take it wherever you want, portable indeed, this OLED show sign may be something that you are after. Thank you for viewing.